And the other day I was at my convenience store, and that's always the best place to look for like the new, latest and greatest kinds of things that are being offered in Japan. It's more expensive, but if you go to the regular, like, you know, department store, grocery store kind of places, they usually just have, you know, your average kind of everyday, you're going to want it kind of things. So if you're looking for unique stuff, you definitely want to try the convenience stores. Now, while I was there, I saw this and I was like, what? This is tomato soda. Yeah, I'm kind of scared because I hate tomatoes. I don't know. This is going to be weird. But this is by the company Kagome. Now, they're known for making vegetable-based kinds of goodies. They make, you know, vegetable drinks. They do different kinds of sauces and stuff like that. It's kind of like finding a drink made by Heinz. Kind of weird, right? So, and the name, I don't understand at all. It's called Tomash. Right, because that sounds like a drink. I don't think it sounds like a drink at all, but it is carbonated. Now, lately, to be fair, you guys, people in Japan have been freaking out about carbonation, thinking that it's supposed to be the thing that makes your blood flow easier or something. My mother-in-law is totally obsessed with it. She saw some TV show that said you should always drink carbonated something, and so it's being put into places that you wouldn't normally think of it being in. So I'm going to try this just to see you know, what it's like. Now, to be fair, too, tomatoes can come across in lots of different ways. There's some really popular tomato cakes and things like that that have a really nice sweetness to them. So I'm curious if this is going to be really, like, sweet or if it's going to be, like, tomato juice spiked with soda. We'll see. So, it's got a nice little bubble to it, and we'll see here. It says it's sweet. Yeah, but that smells like tomatoes. But it also smells like ginger ale. I'm confused. Hold on. Yeah, it's tomato flavored ginger ale. Go figure. It's not totally sweet. It has a little bit of that saltiness that you expect from like tomato juice. But I don't say that it's going to make me gag, but it's strange. I don't know, maybe if you're just dying to have some tomatoey flavored stuff, this is the thing for you. Maybe it'd be good mixed with alcohol. Anything is better with alcohol, right? I'm kidding, don't believe that. So that's just my little review, you guys, for this strange Tomash drink by Kagome. If you guys happen to be visiting Japan and you're here kind of now, you might get to find this. Drinks and things like this don't last very long in Japan. The seasons change, and so everything else around changes too. So finding this kind of could be difficult. It might have been a late summer, early fall thing, and now it's not even around anymore. So, but and then, you know, sometimes they don't even show up again next year because it was a total fail. So we'll have to see. But